You're right, RC Addict. So we had a break in the weather and I managed to get the old diatone Roma version 2 F5 out. Now this video is showing the RUNCAM THUMB PRO against the Walksnail 1080p. The Roma F5 is rocking the Basher preset, and it's absolutely manic. Seriously, you'll see in a minute, it's got no pop wash, it's got nothing apart from pure power, pure adrenaline. And also the GPS, you can see I've taken it from the back away from the aerial, the antenna. When I put a new battery on, I just wrap the strap around it and it holds it in place. These Send It straps are absolutely, the Velcro, I mean, it's like sticking shit to a blanket. In other words, they're strong. And I'll be using my old faithful Radio Master TX16S, and we got 2 absolutely beautiful days. No one about, so I can just absolutely go berserk. So anyway, I'll show you the video. Pendo made it.